Hello guys and gals, it's Dankey Kang here for another top 10, no, another top 5 video. Today we are going to be looking at the top 5 scariest sounds ever recorded by man. Now, are these true? Are these fake? We don't know. We can only guess. But I know one thing. They are all very scary.
Well then, without further ado, we will begin the video. Try not to wet yourself too hard. If you can, that is. Number 5 on this list is a sound called the Bloop. This sound was recorded in 1997 and was said to be consistent with the sound by large marine animals. The sound's source was found to be in the South Pacific Ocean, west of the southern tip of South America. It is one of the largest sounds recorded by mankind. Is there a giant monster lurking in the depths? We don't know. That's for you to decide.
Number 4 on this list is a sound that was... let me give you a bit of backstory on this one. A man was having trouble sleeping at night. Wait, that didn't happen. There was a man that installed an application on his phone that recorded him while he was sleeping, because he thought he was talking in his sleep while he was sleeping. So he downloaded the app and let it record overnight. But the voice that he recorded was not his own. Bizarre. What he found instead was this recording. The man was terrified, so he set up motion detectors in his room because, let's be honest here, that voice simply was not his. And shockingly enough, there were no motions detected by the motion detector. So what made the noise? What could have made the noise? The man was in his bed. He was sleeping. He doesn't have any pets. There's no one else in the building. Who was it? Was it a ghost? Was it a spirit from beyond? Was it a being, a ghost? We'll never know. Or maybe we will. I don't know. This next sound may be a bit too terrifying for younger viewers, so if there's anybody in the room under the age of 1, 2, 10, under the age of 13, I would suggest they leave the room. Number 3 on the list is a noise that was recorded by a woman who was walking alone in an alleyway at night. She heard footsteps following her as she walked along an alleyway at night. She was very suspicious, so she turned on her phone and recorded in case someone attacked her. In the end, she never did see anyone, but when she got home and listened to the audio, she found this strange noise in the middle of the audio clip. The woman never slept after that and died of exhaustion. Her name and telephone number have been kept hidden to protect her. We do not know much about outer space. Hell, we barely even know much about the Earth. But, we know even less about outer space. In 2003, a group of scientists sent a probe into the outer reaches of space between Uranus and Saturn. What they uncovered was at first normal, but when they slowed a part of the audio clip down, they found this very bizarre and unsettling noise. To this day, an explanation has not been found for the bizarre noise. Many scientists speculate that it may have been another form of life. What do you think? Was that noise proof of alien life? Leave a comment below if you think that it was an extraterrestrial being that made that sound. It was a long journey, but here we are at number 1 of the top 5 scariest sounds recorded by mankind. I don't know if you can take it, but you made it this far. You're probably already shitting your pants by now. So, nothing that has happened in your life, nothing that will ever happen in your life beyond this point right now will prepare you for what you are about to hear. You hear me? This sound will change the very fabric of not only your life, but the lives of the people around you. Are you ready for the top 1 scariest sound recorded by mankind, bar none? Here it is.
Down there. I scored twice. That's my job. I learned the job slow, and now I know it by heart.
He earns money, he pays taxes. He's just like you. ARC, the Association for Retarded Citizens.
Don't throw us away.